Hey everyone, my name is Derek Henry, and if you spend a lot of time looking for files, especially Excel files, then I've got something you probably can't live without, just like myself. This is a macro that's going to show you search suggestions as you search for all the files that you've worked with in Excel, helping you find things within seconds. We all spend a lot of time looking for stuff, probably a lot more than you'd ever think. Studies show it's about 20% of our time. This is a tool that's going to help you drastically reduce that. So let's take a look. So, in this example file I've got over here, we're in Excel. Control-Shift-O is going to fire up this search box, and we're going to look for a couple things. So if we want to look for the word testing, or if we want to look for the word summarize, that's something I was working on just the other day. So it shows you the matching file paths. Now, notice at the bottom, if it's a really long file path, it's going to show you the folder and the file name, the date modified, the file size. You can even remove all the records or just the one that you have highlighted. How many months do you want to search for? And do you want to search the entire file path or just the file name? Because you might have some that are very similar. Now, once that entire thing is selected, with the arrow up and down keys, press enter, and it will open that file, even if it's closed. Okay, so if this is the file that you're looking for, there you go. Makes it a lot easier to find things. I know that before I built this, I struggled to find things quickly, and I noticed that this saved a ton of time. I can find pretty much any file in Excel within 5, maybe 10 seconds at the most if I have no idea what I called it. But I try to name things logically, right? So if you want to save a lot of time looking for files, you can find them for seconds. Autocomplete is amazing. I mean, that's what we use these days to find information with Google. This takes that same approach. So if you want to try it out for yourself today, hit that QR code down there. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Tell us what you think in the comments, any feedback, something like that. Appreciate all of the engagement. Thanks for watching and have an awesome rest of your day.